The markets of late have been really astounding. Investors are enthralled with Tesla, the revolutionary force transforming the automotive sector. But amid the confusion, many people are wondering if it makes sense to hang on to your Tesla stock for eternity. Is Elon Musk able to lead the company to success? What about the competitors that are closing in on Tesla? Investors are being cautious in response to these queries. We're going to take you on an exciting tour of the reasons why trusting in Tesla is so powerful today. We'll look at what makes Tesla unique and why it's still one of the best businesses to invest in. Put aside the diversions, the long term is what matters, and we know why Tesla appears to have a stronger future than before, but there's still more. We spoke with professionals, investors, and retail aficionados alike, and you can guess what everyone's top worry was. Competitors of Tesla. Yes, there is fierce rivalry from rival automakers, upstarts like GMS, and even the global Fords. Investors are closely watching this, so let's take a closer look at how Tesla intends to stay on top. But before we go any farther in this discussion, please remember to subscribe to Tesla Stock News and use the like button. That being said, let's begin the video. Our expert, Mike Coe, is here to help us unravel the riddles of Tesla's remarkable day in the stock market in this video. People, get ready, Tesla is catching fire. Although Tesla is accustomed to large numbers, today was different. It almost increased its trading frenzy and grabbed an astounding 10% of the total volume traded in options. Yes, calls for Tesla were trading in over 15% of the whole options market. There's a tangible eagerness. But don't get too excited. Not every day will be sunny and clear. Among the euphoric, there are differing viewpoints. Step into the September 400 call spotlight. These tiny jewels are selling for less than $1.25 like hotcakes. There is a tremendous competition to board the Tesla hype train. What are these September 400 calls, I wonder? In relation to Tesla's stock and the realm of options trading, the September 400 calls are a particular kind of options contract. The right, but not the duty, to purchase or sell Tesla shares at a fixed price known as the strike price on or before a particular date, known as the expiration date, is granted to investors through the purchase or sale of options. The September 400 calls in this instance indicate that buyers are purchasing call options with a 400 strike price and a September expiration date. By the time the options expire in September, these investors are wagering that the price of Tesla shares will have risen over 400. Investors may be able to sell their call options at a higher price, if the stock price does rise. The September 400 calls are mentioned in the movie, which implies that there is a lot of trading activity and interest in these specific options contracts. It might mean that investors are setting themselves up to benefit from future price increases and have optimistic hopes for Tesla's stock in the near future. Is it fair to blame them? We are discussing the potential for Tesla to return to its peak in late 2021, the kind of rally that would have investors' hearts pounding. Once more, our knowledgeable stock market guru Mike Coe uses his astute insights to take us on an exhilarating journey through Tesla's remarkable stock market performance. We will examine the core of the issue: what does Tesla's future hold? One pressing concern remains as the dust settles on Tesla's extraordinary trading frenzy. Can Tesla sustain this astounding momentum? Is the electric behemoth about to enter a new era, or are there storm clouds in the distance? Remember that there are differing viewpoints out there, as Mike pointed out. Even while September 400 calls are skyrocketing, some doubters question whether the excitement can last. The pressure on Tesla to meet investor expectations is growing as the excitement grows. Nevertheless, do not worry, fellow aficionados for Tesla. We're going to reveal every nuance of this fascinating tale. Mike Coe will guide us through the complex dynamics of the market and assist us in distinguishing the signals from the noise. We understand that you, dear Tesla investors, are here to stay and may even have aspirations of retiring on those priceless Tesla stocks. But let's face it, there have always been a plethora of reasons to be skeptical of Tesla historical stock declines, Elon Musk's share sales, and even Tesla's margin reduction. However, investing is about more than just worrying about the here and now. It's about the big picture, the long-term results, and the amazing advancements that are still to come. After surveying a diverse group of professional and individual investors, we discovered some shocking facts regarding Tesla. Surprisingly, half of the 630 respondents think that competitors pose the greatest risk to the company's future. Indeed, you are correct, the competition is the main focus for Tesla. Speaking of worries, Elon Musk himself is a problem that we cannot ignore. Investors are concerned about his leadership's unpredictable nature. After all, Musk's creative vision appears to be vital to Tesla's success. But there's still more. There have been some rumors recently regarding the pricing and profitability of Tesla's automobiles. But don't worry, Musk has a really big plan. He believes that the addressable market for Tesla will be as big as all of humanity. With that lofty objective in sight, Tesla is prepared to shift its focus to affordability and spearhead an EV revolution that will make electric cars appealing to everybody. Before we go any further, though, remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a news about anything Tesla related. Let's now pause to consider Tesla's audacious forecast from its shareholder letter for the 2024 quarter. With the Model Y becoming as the best-selling vehicle globally and the company reporting record revenues of a whopping $25 billion in a single quarter, Tesla is definitely changing the face of the automotive business. The thrill doesn't end there, either. The Cybertruck, dubbed the most avant-garde vehicle design of the next generation, is centered on the horizon. Tesla is exceeding all expectations, redefining what's possible, and setting new standards. Additionally, Tesla just announced with pride that its adjusted net profits for the quarter came to a staggering $3 billion. And what do you know? That is more than the majority of market analysts had predicted. But there's a catch, hold on. Given Tesla's smaller margin and potential for underperformance in the upcoming months, some experts are dubious. They don't realize, though, that Tesla follows its own set of guidelines the Tesla way. For investors in Tesla shares, the future trillion-dollar auto and transportation fuel markets are just as important as current revenues. This is the trade secret that has some investors and experts rethinking their opinions on Tesla and the other established automakers. Tesla's success is a result of its unwavering quest for state-of-the-art technology and cost-saving strategies for its best-selling automobiles, such as the adored Model 3. And Tesla isn't giving up on its ambitious target of selling 2 million vehicles this year. Tesla's approach is unmatched by traditional automakers who only concentrate on hardware sales and replacement parts. The business disclosed that it believes it's. Earnings from hardware sales are just the beginning. As Tesla continues to forge ahead into the fields of artificial intelligence software and fleet-based profitability, it is firmly establishing itself as an unstoppable force in the automotive sector. According to Musk, this transformation represents the biggest shift in asset values ever. It will be enormous, he added. Now, don't let the doubters deceive you. Examine and test the stock price. Certainly, there may be conjecture, but the astounding sales momentum speaks for itself. Not to be overlooked is the revolutionary supercharger network. While other manufacturers avoid talking about infrastructure, Tesla audaciously built a global network of dependable and quick charging stations, allaying the concerns of buyers who are worried about range. Talk about planning ahead. The real deal, though, is that Tesla is the actual EV pioneer. Tesla has cemented its status as the only electric vehicle manufacturer that is truly untouchable, at least for the time being, while others are attempting to catch up. While some may attempt to enhance their electric vehicle business models, Tesla's advantage is just too great. That's it. Fellow fans of Tesla vehicles, we've had an incredible adventure discovering the fascinating world of Tesla's past, present, and future. With its groundbreaking inventions and record-breaking performances, Tesla is defying expectations and redefining the automobile sector. The fun doesn't stop there, though. We would want to talk to you. What do you think about Tesla's future? Do you have faith in Elon Musk's plan and the company's steadfast dedication to expanding the possibilities for electric vehicles? Or do you still have unanswered doubts concerning possible dangers and difficulties? Please leave a comment below, and together, let's continue the discussion. We're here to explore Tesla's fascinating universe in more detail and address any urgent queries you might have. For more interesting news on everything Tesla, don't forget to subscribe to Tesla Stock News and like this video. Till the next time, good investing and stay energized and inquisitive.